Uh, so, hello guys, it's me again. Previously I created and uploaded a video on how to install the Hoyan on mobile devices. So, you can see it also on his channel. This is my channel, YouTube channel. So, please support me. Thank you. Aspiring pa lang na content creator. Anyway, so this time I'm gonna do a video naman for installation naman sa PC version. So by the way, credits sa admin of this group. So ay nakita ko lang din sa kanya yung guide and sinunod ko lang din yung guide niya. So this is the group. I'm gonna post the link also in the description of this group. So ayun, let's start. So firstly, so ang pinaka-importante is you have to install any VPN software that you want. So in this case, I used the Urban VPN. So this I already installed it on my machine. So as you can see here, it's the remove button is shown, not the install. So once you install this, so I'm using Microsoft Edge. So adds-on lang naman yan, din na naman i-install sa fully software. So pwede mo rin yan install after mo ma-install yung actual game. So needed lang tong VPN sa installation nung launcher. So yan. Once you install it, mag-appear lang yan dito sa right side ng Microsoft Edge. And then, and select nyo lang yung Japan and then start. So, once you're connected to the Japan, uh, next thing you need to do is to click the link then in the description and access this site. So here, click nyo lang tong install sa Windows. So, hindi ko na bakit Tagalog to. Anyway, so once you click this, magpa-prompt lang yan dito. So, mag-download lang to ng installer nung ayun purple. So, para ito yung launcher nung game. So, in my case, na-install ko na rin to. So, pretty straightforward lang naman na installation yan. So, once you install it, so, dapat lalabas na to. Ayan. And so, once you install the launcher, so, login lang kayo. So, click nyo lang din to para lagi nakalagin. So, yan. Login via browser or via QR or whatever you want. So, here, since in-check naman to, meron naman din ditong option to login via Facebook, Steam, ano ba to, Twitter, Apple, or Google. So, I'll choose the Google. Uh, So, here, just gonna log in my account. 1, yan, verify nyo lang. Okay, once nakalagin ka na, so, wait mo lang. And so, ito yung parang pinaka-launcher niya. So, once nandito ka na sa launcher, makikita mo naman dito yung Hoyon. So, pwede mo i-search somewhere here. Open. Hindi, lalabas na yun dito sa may side na to. Tapos, i-click mo lang yung, ang lalabas dito initially is update. So, once you click the update, magda-download lang yun ng, I think, 35 or 38 gig na files before ka makapag-start ng game. So, ayan, once na ma-download mo na, lalabas lang din dito, start game na. So, yeah, click mo lang start game. And to prove na hindi mo na need tong VPN, pwede na natin tong i-stop. Yan. Let's just wait. By the way, yung graphics na ito, ang ganda. Yun na. Straightforward lang naman. Ang pinaka-importante dun sa para ma-install mo is yun nga, yung VPN. Since di pa globally released itong laro. So, tiyaga muna dun. So here, ito na yung login screen. I mean, nakalagin na pala siya. So, choose lang kayo ng server. So, dito tayo sa Zulia. Yung admin ng group nandito. Mukhang malakas yun eh. Admin baka naman. So, ayan. Tapos, press to begin na. So, by the way, na-try ko na to laruin kanina for a few hours. Also, na-record ko yun. So, in-upload ko rin. Mga raw video lang naman yun nandun sa playlist ng channel. So, baka gusto niya rin panoodin. Anyway, is it. So, itong character na to, nakuha ko lang din to sa gacha. So, yung pangalan na ito. Wait. Here. Medyo mukhang malakas to eh. Special siya eh. Ito siya. So, ayun. Yun lang. Yun lang naman. So, hope this video will help you. Sana wala kayong ma-encounter na problem like me. If you have other question, just comment on the comment section. And please subscribe on my channel. So, again, thank you.